Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Iran's leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was killed in today's attack from the US and Israel strikes on Iran. Oh my god. Oh my god. What now? What now? Like, what happens now? He's calling for a massive regime change following the attack, which prompted an unprecedented wave of retaliatory strikes. It says presumed dead, so it's not confirmed.